In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FreshBooks to track expenses. So the first thing that we'll need to do is go over to the expenses tab. So here we will see all of our expenses. So in order for us to track our expenses, once let me try adding an expense first. So add an expense. So for example, I'll have here traveling, and the category would be gas, and let's assign this to a random client, and the grand total would be, for example, 500, and let's add a tax of 10%. So once you've inputted or once you've filled in the needed description, just click on accept, or the green button, and it will automatically add it to all your expenses. So this is how you will be tracking your expenses in FreshBook. And that's about it. That's how to use FreshBooks to track expenses. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.